Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back.
What's up, guys? So, as you guys can see, we are tearing apart this fucker's motor. So, we have a new motor for it, and we're just gonna do a quick swap. So that way we can get back to driving. It's been down for a few months. So my brother figured use my garage and do it out of the sun.
Oh, you're so generous.
I am generous.
Yeah, you're so generous. That's so nice.
See, I'm the badass uncle. I'm the badass brother.
That's a Christmas present right
Yeah, I mean, that's your guys' Christmas presents, motherfuckers. Alright guys, I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse, so we're gonna continue.
I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? This is my life, my strife, my right.
Too short.
Whatever. You need the 19?
No, I need the long 17.
I think so too, shit.
No, you might be able to.
I'll be able to get it right here.
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Get someone.
Oh, you don't need that one right now.
No?
You need to take it off right now, because it's up at the
on
bottom.
Yeah, it's the one on it.
You already got that one off?
Yeah.
No.
You guys are gonna have to go up to the sides though, no? The front's not gonna go that high.
Yeah, I mean, you're gonna have to go to the
Oh,
side.
that one here?
That one might.
Fuck
Just
it.
make sure the engine slides out of that.
Check. Out of the mount, Eric.
Is it not coming up? We'll see.
Get it with the flathead, pop it. That's all I had to do one time, we had to pop it. Yeah. It gets stuck in the grooves. There you go, hit that shit.
Oh, the torque mount.
What's that,
That's
17?
12 on the bottom. 14 on the side on the frame rail.
14
or 14? Maybe 14.
I think it is 14s actually.
You got the impact over here.
Oh shit. No se cae esta madre porque no tengo seguranza.
Alright, engine's up. Fucking engine made dirty as shit, but it won't come out. Try using the brake cleaner a little bit and it won't come out. You gotta scrub that shit.
Yeah, it's
Well, you don't care about no damage to be running.
Just get it running. Alright, now we gotta pull the other one out.
That's gonna be the fun one.
Have fun, guys. I ain't breaking my back. You got a tough guy. You got the tough nephew right there.
Rex, huh? You can lift.
I gotta save my back, bro. I'm too old for this shit.
Oh, we need the cart.
He hopped multiple times, huh?
Bro. That's like, even pulling it off here, bro. Like, if I took it off as a short block, bro, I'm like,
That shit was heavy.
Yeah, nah, it's a
bro,
That
I'm
shit
like,
was heavy. But you lucky at
I'm like, man, I wonder if we can run this manifold, but you probably gonna have to change some shit.
you have to change out everything.
You have to change
The wiring harness.
Find a little. You never want to take them off, but
That'd be the only way.
it's because these trans ones are tricky, but guess we'll figure it out. Let's just leave it like that. Ready? Eric, you're gonna have to hold them on, remember. Oh, there you go. Oh, right, so.
What we gotta do, pull that motor out.
Okay, I'll do it.
You got that thing? Go that way. There you go. You know, we could. Update. Motor's in. Pretty much already locked in. You already put the T-bar in, right?
No,
No?
that's next.
T-bar's next. Pulleys are on. AC compressor's on. Motor mounts, everything's tightened. Pretty much we're just gonna do the oil change to it, fill it up with trans fluid, put it up with coolant, start it up. We did have an issue where we had to back up a little bit because the torque converter was not lined up with the flywheel pressure plate, or whatever the fuck you guys call it, for the torque converter. So that wasn't aligned. So easiest way of doing it was to just loosen up the transmission bolts all the way around the bell housing, pull it back a little bit, try to spin it, and we broke it loose. So now it spins freely. So we're good on that. So now it's just all the other hose. Yeah, I mean, we're basically 3.5 hours in and almost to 4 hours. So not too bad. So we're gonna go to continue and we'll update you guys at the end. Been about 40 minutes waiting for this kid to do an oil change.
Do not do me, bro. It's not been no 40 minutes.
And the oil's still not in the car.
And the oil's still not in the motor.
I'm looking.
He looks lost. That's all we're waiting for, to do a startup. Oil.
This wasn't what I was looking for right now either.
That's all we're looking for.
What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
I was looking.
Pretty much just put oil in, and then we can start doing our first startup. Hopefully everything goes smooth, because we did have the hiccup of the fucking torque converter bolts. and the flywheel part, whatever the hell it's called, flywheel, whatever, it wasn't like, it was crooked, and I guess it was, I don't know, it wasn't aligned right, and we couldn't move it after we did all that. Thank God we didn't have to drop the motor again. We just opened up the bolts, loosened the bolts on the mounts from the trans, pulled it apart a little bit, made sure it can free, and we were able to put all the torque converter bolts on. So now 40 minutes later, we're still waiting for him to do the oil change. And we should be ready to rock and roll. So hopefully we can get the first start next. Hey, cuh. Why does it take you 40 minutes to do an oil change?
That's not what happened.
Maybe I should have left my car white, huh?
It took about 15 minutes to take the fucking filter off.
See, he's giving you an explanation. Took him 15 minutes just to take off an oil filter.
Hey, bro, that shit's been on here for a minute.
All right, guys, we'll come back when it starts up.
Oh man, this mother.
First startup, hopefully.
Come on, guy.
Hey, bro.
Oh, right, okay. That happened to us once too, and it went away. Remember?
Yeah.
But at Lake and Alex, we turned it on. That shit was knocking. We turned it off, turned it on, revved it, and it went away. But just turn it off.
That's a high idle.
I know that. Well, you gotta.
Everything's good though, like.
Do it again.
Oh, we're good. Let it run. Alright, you guys. So unfortunately, I was not able to do like a outro when the vehicle was here. As you guys seen on the last clip, we heard a noise. I stopped the video, and come to find out that the engine has rod knock. I thought maybe it was because since it did have oil in it and it just sat on the bottom when we first started it up, it didn't have the lubrication for the valves and everything, and that wasn't the case. We did do a full oil change to it, or my nephew did, before starting it up, and yeah, it's pretty bad knock. I mean, it's a baby knock, but it's there, and it is what it is. Fortunately enough, the seller of the engine is going to be returning my nephew back his money, as he didn't know the condition of the engine that he sold. He got it in a trade, and he's a man of his word, so he is giving my nephew back the money that he spent, which isn't a lot. But a few hours, like I said, has passed since then, and I did put a post up on Instagram. A good friend of mine reached out. Unfortunately, yesterday he was involved in a hit and run on the same kind of car, white EK 4-door 96, 98 chassis, and so he offered me the shell complete as is with the motor, because if not, he was just gonna junk it. So we're taking advantage of that, and we're gonna go ahead and pull out the full swap transmission, motor, everything that's complete, harness, and get that installed as one unit into the car once again here shortly, in a few more days or whatever. But we'll wait for that time to come. But it is what it is. Lesson learned from my nephew. Now he needs to check things and just make sure things are good. But as you guys seen in the video, guys, I'm not sure if you guys seen, but I was rocking the new shirt. It's just the black version of the ones that we ran before. The white ones did okay. They didn't do so well, but I figured I'd offer them in black still, because easier to rock with. You can use it. You can get dirty in the garage with it. You guys seen me wearing it, and I'm still pretty much wearing it. I just had to change my shorts because I was rocking the gray ones. I mean the black ones, and it was already dirty. So still rocking it. It held up really well. The back end of the shirt is still the same. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but you know, held up. I mean, good quality t-shirts, and let me know if you guys are interested in it. They are for sale. They're $25 plus shipping, and we should be able to get them shipped out to you guys soon. They're offered from medium to 3X. So let's go ahead and get to the parts that did arrive. So right here we have a box from Dry Cartel. Sorry guys, I opened it because I was already too eager to see what it was. And we do have a timing gear, modified one, guide. So this is one thing that I needed. I spoke with him. I'm not sure if I ordered the wrong one. I thought it was supposed to come with the other piece. Maybe it's in here somewhere, but I don't know. But I need to see about that trigger one, see if I need that or not. We do have some candies, some stickers from Drag Cartel, and we do got a Inline Pro chain tensioner. So we got this one because it's a heavier duty one, and along with that, freaking hate peanuts, man. So try not to get them all over the place. We do have a cosmetic head gasket. This is an 87.5, as we are going at 87.5 on the block itself, so this should match up perfectly well to the head and the block and everything. So for the new pistons that we're running. Aside from that, guys, another box that I did open up. Sorry, just want to make sure everything was there. And yeah, so here we have a Type S oil pump conversion kit. This comes with the pump itself, along with Honda Bond, the chain guide, the lower chain guide, the Type S chain, which is what you need to run the Type S. You cannot run the K24 one. It needs to be the Type S one. So this is there, along with the oil baffle. So we have a few more parts that we are waiting for. I'm waiting for the timing chain, the guides for that, along with a little bit of hardware for the oil pan baffle, as I ordered it through different sources because better deals. My homie Gil ended up hooking it up with his discount for Honda, and basically just had my back, so I thought I don't have to pay an arm and a leg for all that. So got all this on Black Friday deals, and we did have some other hardware for the guides and everything else, you know, for the tensioner itself, the bolts hardware. I just need the bolts for the baffle itself. But pretty much, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. We managed to at least do a swap, or try to do a swap. Unfortunately, it didn't work out in our favor, but we'll be back in the garage here soon again to get the new swap in. But nonetheless, it's a lesson. It's a lesson, man, that we all learn, and my nephew learned a real good one. So huge shout out to the homie for having my back, helping me out with the new engine and chassis, or whatever it is that we're gonna pull out for the new swap. Huge shout out to everybody else that has been a part of the build. On the next video, hopefully we should be able to take this to Julian Motorsports, get a little bit more insight on the engine, see what's going on with it, see the next progress of it. As I stated, there's still a few parts that I'm waiting for, such as a turbo manifold. If you guys don't know, the manifold in the car right now is just a log manifold, and it actually holds the highest horsepower rating from Just TIG manifold. This is the highest horsepower that it's ever made. I think the last one that it made before was like 575 or something like that, and we are currently at 630. We could have made more power on it, but Armin, being safe and being the way he is, very meticulous, he's like, no, he goes, we're not going to keep going up. Even when I hit the 630, I said, let's just bring it down, because it is a stock block, and for the same reasons why Armin did not want to go above and beyond. So I'm happy with it nonetheless. I guess you could say I'm the king of the log manifold. that's just an inside joke between me and Just TIG. But on the next manifold, it should be able to hold a lot more power than the 630, even though we're probably gonna leave it around 650, give or take. But we'll see how that goes, man. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe if you guys look forward to more content on the all-wheel drive with the new motor and putting in the new engine for my nephew's car. If you guys look forward to that, again, please comment, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till next time.